One, two. Give it up one more time for that performance, yo. Come on, make some motherfucking noise. Come on, yo. Come on. Are you guys feeling that?
You know what it is, Hip Hop Sundays, this is what the fuck we do every fucking Sunday, Rashid.
Every Sunday we do this.
Alright, who's up next, nigga? Let's move DJ You Nice. Let's get this shit going on the road. Otherwise, shout out to everyone who's here, man. We appreciate it. Hip Hop Sundays, we're here every Sunday. That's what we do. Tonight is Rain Rap Night. So shout out to everyone from the Vayner side of life. We hear y'all motherfuckers. We're gonna try and play your shit on the radio. We're gonna try and play your shit on the TV. We're gonna try and get your shit all over the fucking place. But you gotta be at Hip Hop Sundays first, you know what I mean?
Yo,
Ain't nobody gonna play your shit but us.
hey yo, OG, did you tell them that we have radio shows, we have TV shows, we have a podcast, and we have out this motherfucker, Afro Brew every Sunday? This is show number 28. We've been doing this since February 2021.
My nigga, people don't take this shit seriously, you know what I mean? But we'll be out here every Sunday if you wanna pull up.
They don't understand.
Through.
They don't understand.
All we do is hip hop fucking culture. If you really like it, you're gonna be about it. If you're not, then fuck you. You know what I mean? Let's move on.
Yo, up next we have Metro CMG. Where you at? Metro CMG. Where the fuck is you at?
If he's not here, let's move on.
We're gonna go to the next one. If it's not here. I love the ladies who perform tonight. Queen P and Rihanna. We must bring them back. Queen P and Rihanna is too fat. We're gonna bring them back. And we must play them on the radio as well. Yo, I got Metro FM and you got
I got YFM on fucking lock. Send your music to me, you motherfucker.
with the plug. Hey yo, Metro CMG, are you ready? Let's fuck shit up. Mr. DJ,
Yeah.
don't play with me.
Yeah. Yeah.